Hi there. Welcome back to the ingredient channel where I share simple and delicious homemade Chinese recipes. Today, I'm presenting a special breakfast recipe from Northeastern China, the fried glutinous rice cake. It is sweet, crispy, and a little chewy inside. To make an analogy, to me, it somehow tastes like the French beignets, but with feelings. Well, the traditional recipe uses red bean pastes for the fillings. Today, we're going to make butternut squash and purple yam pastes instead. Slice and steam half a butternut squash and a medium purple yam for about 20 minutes. Then mash the squash and purple yam. For the purple yam, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the heat of the yam melt the butter. Mix well and set aside. No sugar is needed as the yam is very sweet already. Mash the butternut squash and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. One tablespoon of butter, mix well. And then half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix. Let both of the pastes cool down and store in the refrigerator for 2 hours or more to get solid. For the dough, 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, half cup of all-purpose flour. Mix the flour together. One and a half cup of boiling water. Slowly add the water in while mixing the flour. The all-purpose flour will smooth the dough and prevent the wrappers from cracking. Use your hands to knead the flour into a smooth dough. Drizzle a few drops of vegetable oil, then knead a few more times. Set aside. This is going to make 6 cakes, double the amount for all of the pastes. The vegetable oil adds a beautiful yellow color when the cake gets fried. Take the pastes out of the refrigerator after 2 hours. Divide the purple yam paste into 6 equal portions. And roll each portion into a ball. Do the same for the butternut squash paste. Cover all of the pastes using a plastic wrap. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts. The dough is very soft and easy to manage. Use one palm to make a disc. The disc is thicker than typical dumpling wrappers, about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Put one purple yam ball at the center of the disc. Wrap it up and gently push the ball down to form a pie. Then follow the same process for the butternut squash paste. Instead of deep fry, we will air fry 3 cakes at a time. Rub some oil on both sides of the cakes. Grease the pan. 390 Fahrenheit air fry for 5 minutes. If the surface of the cake gets too dry, add more oil. And then air fry another 2 to 3 minutes. And then flip the cakes. Air fry 2 to 3 more minutes until the cakes turn golden. The sizzling sound and the delicious smell makes it so tempting to have a bite right there. But be careful as the cakes are very hot. The cake is light, sweet, crispy outside and chewy inside. Super delicious and satisfying. Well, thanks for staying through the end of the video and hope you enjoyed the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.